Narvacan Municipal Mayor Luis Chavit Singson. Sir, Sir, you know, you have my deepest respect. Pero ito si Bong, sige siya pa, pinapanood niya yung gimmick mo doon sa, sabi niya, tignan mo talaga si Chavit, oh. Di ever, sabi kong huwag mong gawin, baka hindi totoo yan. Totoong patulog-tulog siya, pero well, wala akong, we do not have that kind of opportunity to be, so we can only say good luck, and may the next mission be accomplished. And may the next mission be accomplished.